Welcome to Syncly, where we take your productivity to the next level. Today, we're diving into how you can effortlessly manage and customize your notes with Syncly's powerful features. First up, let's explore the Notes section. With Syncly, your notes are neatly categorized into sections like work, personal, and more. This helps you stay organized and ensures that all your thoughts and ideas are easy to find. Syncly allows you to fully customize these categories. Add new sections, rename existing ones, and tailor your note organization to fit your workflow. Whether it's jotting down ideas for a project or personal reminders, Syncly adapts to your needs. One of the standout features is the ability to link notes directly to specific projects. This means that all relevant information is connected and easily accessible. No more digging through unrelated notes, everything you need is right where it belongs. Once you've customized your notes, Syncly makes it simple to review and adjust your setup. Fine-tune your categories, ensure everything is linked correctly, and you're all set. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more productivity tips, and share Syncly with someone who could use a boost in their workflow. See you next time.